What should I do if the charging connector is connected to the car but it doesn't start charging? Check whether there are any foreign objects in the plug, and whether the charger connector head is fully inserted into the charging port. SAE J177 to connector head has anti-loosening hook to prevent connection slack. Charger front with dual buckle holes works with vehicle lock to avoid direct removal during charging. Works with vehicle lock to avoid direct removal during charging. Check the LCD screen of the EV charger UC102 to see if scheduled charging has been set. Please press and hold the delay key for 2 seconds to exit the reservation charging mode. When off appears on the screen, remove your finger and wait for 3 seconds. The system will confirm the reservation as off. Check whether the vehicle has set up a scheduled charging appointment. Has it reached the scheduled time? You need to cancel the current schedule or reset a new one before charging can start. Check if the target battery level is set higher than the current level. Charging will not be possible if it is set lower than the current level.